Hello everyone, this is Christine from Shanghai Shenqi Packaging Machinery. Today I will introduce you with our Bible feeding production line.
This is ultrasonic bottles washing machine. It consists of bottles, feeding turntable, and washing device. After cleaning, the bottles will enter into sterilization oven. The next process is feeding and storing. Feeding we use peristaltic pump, high precision, easy to adjust, cleaning thoroughly. Plugging by vacuum, which is fast and stable. The last is multi-station capping machine, which is with highly efficiency, stable and reliable. Welcome friends from all over the world come to visit our factory in Shanghai.